It's the Midlife Night Chronicles.
Big Ed's. We're here at Big Ed's Barbecue. Big Ed's. She been in there forever, 'cause this place is bussin'. There she go, there she go, here she come, there she go, there she go, here she come, 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 here she come, there she go, here she go, here she go, there she go, with them biddles, with them biddles.
Still coming.
Still coming.
They sold the last tip while I was in there.
Damn.
I was still in line. The motherfucker was like, man, we ain't got no more tips.
So y'all hear that? They got no more tips at all.
Yeah, they got different sauces. And I had them give me a sweet heat and...
So it don't come on the burnt ends. Those are burnt ends.
No, the sauce don't come on the food at all. I like it better that way. Then you can actually taste.
So what do you got from Big Ed's? What did Big Ed's have on the menu, and what did you want on the menu from Big Ed's?
Well, I wanted some rib tips and to try their collard greens. But the collard greens you can only get on the weekend. And they ran out of rib tips while I was in line.
Okay. So you end up getting burnt ends. What does the burnt end look like? See that? Burnt ends, either burnt.
Slow cooked for 15 hours.
Slow cooked what kind of beef? Slow cooked beef brisket, basically beef tips, slow cooked. And what makes them burnt ends? Why are they called burnt ends?
I don't know exactly why.
Okay. That's honest. All right, but then you got two types of sauces. So, I guess when you get to the house in a couple of seconds, couple of minutes, you'll give your honest review, or I could give my honest review. And so this is Big Ed's, you guys. Big Ed's Barbecue. They were packed. You said how many people was in line in front of you?
When I first came in, there was like 10, 12 people in line ahead.
10, 12 people in line ahead of her. Big Ed's. We're gonna try the burnt ends with what kind of sauce again? I'm sorry.
Sweet heat and Memphis.
I'll be trying the Memphis. Unless that heat is real sweet. I don't like too much hot stuff. So.
The sweet heat, they said that's pretty sweet. It don't have no heat to it.
Okay. And I don't eat any pork. Haven't ate pork in over almost 20 years.
And it was about a good 10 people behind me in line when I left.
All ready to eat pork.
I was like, man, the burnt ends. She was like, yeah, give me burnt ends.
So, she popped the top. They couldn't wait. You know. And we're still on the road. But we tried some burnt ends. And I say how long it takes. I tasted one piece. Not even a piece. And that bitch was pillow. It was a pillow in my mouth. Popped it in my mouth, and I'm ready for strands and toughness and you know, but and the outer skin being kind of tough. I like a good charred outer, but I was expecting the inside to be stringy and, you know, maybe need some sauce to cover it. No, it was like Wagyu beef, straight up and down. It was the softest, tenderest, smoked with it again. What was the spiel out of it?
It's smoked for 15 hours, then re-seasoned and smoked for another 6.
Smoked for 15, re-seasoned, and then smoked for another 6 for a total of 21 hours of cooking before they serve it. Now, if that ain't breaking down the connective tissue and making it like a silk wrap on a ghetto chick's head, I don't know what it is. So, yeah, that was pretty good. And it didn't need any sauce right away. It was just good off the back. So, yeah, stay tuned.
Minute daily.